He gets a 9 from Cole, a 9 from King, a 9. I'm sensing a showdown between Red Bull and Eric Dog. That's awesome. Sensing a showdown. A 9 and a 9. All right, showdown. So they like that last number, the 9.
Showdown.
No, I don't want to see the showdown. All right, here we go. Showdown. Who's in the finals? Eric Dog and Red Bull. We've got Red Bull, he advances, along with Eric Dog. Yeah, right? So here we go. Kobe wants to see a show. You guys want to see a show? Let's go. Here we go. They get 2 dunks. 2 dunks here in the championship round. The defending champion, Red Bull.
You make anything look
We'll go with Eric Dog first.
No. He did come in the playoffs.